Hi, I'm Mark McAdam. I'm going to take you through a demo comparing the agent experience with the MiCollab desktop client ACD SIP softphone versus the agent experience with the new MiCollab web client ACD WebRTC softphone. First, we'll start with the MiCollab desktop client. The agent's going to log into their desktop. And the MiCollab client is automatically launched. It's set to auto start when the user logs into Windows. The agent's going to launch Chrome. And I've set up Chrome to automatically launch WebIgnite when Chrome is launched. So the agent credentials are cached here by Chrome. Click Sign In. The agent's prompted to for what extension they want to use to accept voice calls. They can log into a desk phone, or they can use the MiCollab softphone. In this case, we're going to choose the MiCollab softphone. We get a notification that the MiCollab softphone must be launched and to verify that the softphone is enabled. So we're going to go to MiCollab client, enable softphone, which effectively launches or logs us in as a ACD hot desking user into the MiCollab client SIP softphone. And now we're available for voice calls. I'm going to place a call into my queue. Dial the IPRO first.
The best place to buy tickets for all your favorite music, based on the phone number you're calling from. To help us route you to the.
I'm going to transfer over to my queue. I can answer the call using Ignite. It takes me automatically to my inbox. And within Ignite, I can place the call on hold. I can retrieve the call. I could transfer this call to another agent or to another queue. I could invite someone to into a conference call. So all this functionality can be done through WebIgnite controlling the ACD SIP softphone. I never have to go, as an agent, I never have to go back to the softphone and do call control there. I can hang up this call. I can also make outbound calls using the MiCollab ACD softphone from Ignite. I'm going to make a call with my cell phone. And just like before, I can put the call on hold or retrieve this outbound call without ever having to type MiCollab. I can also do silent monitor using the MiCollab ACD SIP softphone, but that has to be invoked from the MiCollab client using feature access codes. In this situation, I've set up a speed dial using our feature access codes to set a silent monitor on an agent named Dan Cloud. So I select that speed dial, and now I'm monitoring Dan Cloud for ACD calls. I can also log into a physical desktop phone with the same ACD agent ID. So if I go over to my physical phone and I enter in 49119, hit enter, and then enter my PIN, my soft phone is automatically disabled on my MiCollab client, and now I'm able to take calls on my physical desk phone. So it's very flexible for an agent. They can go to the office, go home, and use the ACD SIP softphone. Then when they get into their office, they have a physical phone. They can just easily log into their desk phone and take calls there. There's no difference in the agent experience. So that's the ACD SIP softphone overview with the desktop client. Next, I'm going to take you through the agent experience with the MiCollab web client ACD WebRTC softphone. First, the agent's going to launch Chrome. In this situation, I've actually set my startup pages in Chrome to be WebIgnite and MiCollab web client to help speed up the agent login experience. I click and sign in. My credentials are cached by Chrome for WebIgnite. I get that same prompt that to accept voice calls, select which extension I want to use, in this case MiCollab Softphone again. I get a notification that I must launch the web client or MiCollab client to verify the softphone is enabled, so I'll go to my web client. And my credentials are cached by Chrome. My softphone is disabled because I logged out of Ignite last time. My softphone automatically gets disabled, so I'm going to re-enable it. And now we're available to take voice calls. So I place a call into my queue. And transfer over to my queue. Get the notification Ignite. I answer it, accept the call. And just like with the ACD SIP softphone, I can place the call on hold and retrieve it. I could do a transfer or a conference, just like with the ACD SIP softphone. I can hang up on the call. I can also do outbound calls from here. And just like before, I can call on hold, remove the hold, transfer, or conference in other parties. I'm going to hang up here. And just like with MiCollab ACD SIP softphone, we can invoke silent monitoring using feature access codes. I'm going to just hot desk in my other agent again. And select silent monitor. And now we're silent monitoring Dan Cloud for any ACD calls. Just like the MiCollab ACD SIP softphone, I can log into a physical desk phone with my agent ID. Logging in, and that will automatically log me out of the MiCollab web client. Now I'm logged into a physical phone. So that's an overview of the MiCollab WebRTC softphone agent experience. Next, I'd like to go over this slide comparing the existing MiCollab ACD SIP softphone and the MiCollab WebRTC softphone with the new MiCollab WebRTC Pro softphone. Some items I'd like to highlight are internal resiliency. So both the MiCollab ACD SIP softphone and the MiCollab WebRTC Pro softphone support internal resiliency. So that would be having DNS records a DNS record that points to both the MIVBs, so the softphones can home to whatever controller is available. External resiliency is supported as well for both the softphone, MiCollab ACD SIP softphone and the Pro softphone. The same way, using external DNS records pointing to the same record pointing to two different MBGs. Hot desking is also supported across the board for both the WebRTC Pro softphone and the MiCollab ACD softphone. As you can see, there's a lot of features not available on the WebRTC softphone. Call swap is supported on on both the WebRTC Pro Softphone and the ACD SIP Softphone. So both MiCollab Softphones, the ACD SIP Softphone and the WebRTC Pro Softphone can be a party to Whisper Coach and barge in. So barge in and Whisper Coach. Whereas the regular MiCollab WebRTC Softphone cannot be silent or cannot be Whisper coached or barged into. The ACD SIP Softphone, as we mentioned before, can do feature access code silent monitoring and also can be silent monitored. So thank you for watching this overview of the our MiCollab Softphone agent experience and comparison of the existing softphones. Thank you.